How's it going, everybody? Well, I pulled the old girl out of the garage, did a little bitty tire toasty, and lost brakes. So I went searching out in the driveway and found the trail. So here's my little marks here, and looks like it started right about there and went down. Oh, there's some more. And some more. And here comes my kid on an ATV.
What are you doing?
Say hi, Brock.
Hi.
So I suppose I gotta put a little brake fluid in the reservoir, pump it, and see where it's pushing out. So hang on a second. Oh, there's some more. So that is the way I found her. Reservoir is empty. Put a little brake fluid in. Oh, that looks nasty. Put this wonderful cover on. At least it's a dual reservoir, but I don't understand why they had this goofy clamp on here. Push on the brake pedal, Brock.
Okay. I don't want a mouse crawling up my leg.
Oh, it won't.
Is it the big one or the small one?
The big one.
Okay. Is that a Slim Jim?
What?
I think it's a Slim Jim.
No, you didn't.
Slim Jim wrapper?
Oh, yeah. Look at that.
Okay, I'm pushing on it.
And it's going pee. Oh. Oh, no. Keep pressing.
Ooh, my own smell.
Yeah. There she is. I think that'll about do it, bud.
Okay, I'm going back to on my four-wheeler.
I think it's pretty dark right now. Well, it was the one that I was a little suspect of when I was replacing the pinion snubber, or repairing the pinion snubber. So, guess I got to put a brake line on. Still got to finish up the quarter panel. I'm jumping ahead here because you guys haven't even seen that stuff yet, so we'll see what happens. Oh, I got to show you something else. Courtesy of Mopar Joe. Got some center lines, 15 by 7s and 15 by 3.5 or 4s. I have some 225s. Hopefully they fit. And I got to pick up some 165s for the front. I think that's about what it should be, is 165s put on the front. But that'll look a little meaner than the old rallies that are on it. So I confirmed where the leak was coming from. So when it runs from the top of the axle, from the soft line all the way to the front of the car. And I was going to go get some brake line, but then I remembered. When I bought the Duster, I got brand new stainless brake lines with the car. So we'll put some stainless in it. And I'll just get it when I do the Duster. So let's see how she fits. Well, the stainless fits pretty good. There's where it goes up over the axle, or up to the axle, I should say. There's the factory clamp. Not sure where it's from, but it fit pretty good. And while I was at it, I got these with the car too, so figure I'll replace those as well. Fitting coming out of the out of distribution block. Yeah, that one of the fittings broke, so have to take care of that. There's that one. Then here's a new replacement, so we got to plug that one in. Then I got another one that goes to the passenger side, driver's side to the passenger side. So I got darn near all of them. And I did keep the old one, and I'll probably keep the old one, so I can bend. I was going to put some Nycop in the duster, or originally I was going to put it in the dark, but I did keep the old one for reference to bend it. That thing's supposed to be motorized, but Brock just wanted to push it down. That's another project to do. Back to the dirt. Another thing worthy of mention, I was going to replace the soft line, but it appeared that this was an amount, and then the distribution block was, the axle vent went through here, and it appeared that it was one piece. Well, the more I looked, after I got this from AutoZone, which is that part number, that this actually threads into, wrong end. This actually threads into the distribution block. It was really hard to tell. I originally thought I got an incorrect one, but no, it's actually correct. This threads into the distribution block on the rear axle, and then the distribution block remains rather than a one-piece unit. So Jason got this one in error when he got the one for the satellite, so his actually had this style. What do you think? Should I cut the six-pack hood off? Or six-pack scoop off? Right around. Off this lightweight duster hood. I'll probably never use it. I think I should cut it off and put it on the dart. Alright, brake line's in. Like I said, this just threaded to the distribution block. And there it is up in the mount. And the stainless is in. Gotta admit, it's kind of nice just bolting something in. I kind of like that. I'll probably never do it again, but I like it. Well, I got these in, down to the distribution block. I did not replace the one going from the driver's side to the passenger side. I'll probably regret that later. But for those fittings, it just won't come out. What I did was I snapped it. You guys probably all know this, but I'll say it over again. I just snapped it, and the flare nut wrench actually couldn't get on there. It actually kept on spreading because you have, what, 5 points of contact or whatever. So, snapped it off, 6.38, joined it like so, and she came right off, just so it's constant leverage. So, anyway, what are you doing? You're such a dork. So I'm kind of a creature of habit, and normally when I bleed brakes, it's either just crack the bleeder, let it gravity feed, or gravity bleed, or pump, crack the bleeder, pump, crack the bleeder kind of thing. But I figured I'd splurge so I didn't inconvenience anybody, and I bought one of these Pittsburgh brake bleeder kits. I'm not gonna lie, it was kind of slick. Rear worked really well. The fronts I had to force it out a little bit, but so I did start that with pumping it and cracking it. But I actually dug this, and it was like 25 bucks. You can probably get it cheaper online, but got one of these numbers. Worked really well. So on that note, I have a brake pedal. Anyway, thanks for watching. Say bye, Brock.
Bye.
And catch you on the next one. Bye-bye. Like, share, subscribe. Bye.